Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial I would like to show to you how to make a stunning photo manipulation. So first open your Canva application and then click the element button, and now you need to insert a circle frame onto your design. This one, I'm using this one, and then duplicate it like this. I think I will decrease the size of it, this and like this. Just like that. Now you need to insert an image. For example, I will add an pyramid. Okay, this one, and I think I will just use this design, this image like this, and positioning it just like that. Increase the size like that. Click done, and now click the Magic Studio button and then click the BG remover to remove the background. Okay, after you finish removing the background, this is the result that you got. Here I'm going to add one more image of a desert. So I think I will use this type of desert. Double tap it if you want to adjust the size or the position of your image. I will use it, and then same as previous one, you need to click Magic Studio and then click the BG remover to remove the background from the image. And this is the result that you got. After that, click layers and then select these two elements, then move it onto the middle just like this. Go back and then click the first image. As you can see, there's a different color on each frame, so I think I will adjust it a little bit. For the temperature, I will try to make it a little cool, and then for the brightness, I will decrease the brightness like this. Okay, after finish, now open an element and add a shadow elements to give an effect that this design is floating. It's like this. Put it here and send it to the back like this. After that, adding a text. For example, I will edit Egypt like this. Change the font. I think I will use this font and change the color onto a white color, just like this. After finish, now you just need to increase the size of the text and then send it back behind the desert. Then change the color of the background. I will change it onto this color. And now, after finish, sorry, my mistake. Okay, after finish, now you just need to add a little bit more of an element. For example, I am adding a cloud like this. You need to use the real cloud like this one, and then decrease the size like this. Make sure you are not put the cloud inside of the frame. And after that, send it backward. Make sure you put it behind of the text by clicking layers, and then put the cloud behind the text like this. I think I will just decrease it one more time and then duplicate it to make it much more look interesting. Then I will flip it horizontal to make it look like it's a different cloud like this. And on this one, I will send it behind of the pyramid like this. And after that, now you just need a little one more touch. So I will adding a birds. Okay, I'm going to add this one. Put it here. Okay, I will decrease it, and I'm going to put it in this side. Just like this. Then for the layers, send it behind of the cloud to make it look like it's from the cloud like that. And after finish, this is the result that you will get. How was it? Is it look interesting? Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.